Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Oh wait, I forgot to do my intro. I'll be right back.
Ghana girls go bum bum, shaky your bum bum bum. Like in your package, feeling the package, making the boys go no.
Whew, that was a lot, right? You know when you finish your makeup and you're feeling yourself, you have to slay. So guys, as you can see, I'm adding mousse to my hair because I'm going to put my hair in a bun. So I will also be adding my styling gel, eco styling gel to my hair and put it in a bun. I'm going to do my afro bun first. So yes, this video is 3-in-1 guys, so get ready. The mousse that I'm using is olive oil mousse. I really do love this mousse. I have been using it for like ever guys, and I'm also going to apply my eco styling gel on my edges. It did a good job laying down my hair, and also it lasted me for like 3 days. And don't mind the way I was talking, I was on phone with my auntie. We were happy giggling. So yeah, I was using the natural daylight to film and it wasn't doing me justice at all. So forgive me if you had a problem with that. But yeah, guys, I hate doing voiceovers because I feel like my voice is not, you know, good enough, or sometimes I feel like, oh, I don't even know what I'm saying. So now I'm using my mousse to lay my baby hairs. The mousse does a good job laying the baby hairs. It makes it look natural. So guys, the Afro pony that I'm going to use is from the African Market store. I'm going to leave the name in the info section. It was very affordable, and it also look real, like it looks like human hair. So I'm also going to look on the internet to find a website where you can get it. So I went ahead and trimmed the hair because it wasn't giving me the shape that I was going for. So, you know, I had to trim it out, and yeah. It came out nice. I really did like how it looked after I did the trimming. Moving on to my makeup, I'm applying my RIMMEL Stay Matte Primer on my brows before I define my brows because I didn't want my brows to get oily. I have oily skin, so that was why I was doing that. And as you can see, I'm defining my brows using my ARDEL brow gel. I really do love this brow gel. I have been using it for like ever. It's a drugstore product, very affordable. I am all for the affordable products, guys. So yeah. Just so you know, I'll be leaving all the product that I'm using in this video in the info section, so you can check it out if you're interested. So what I'm using right now is my LA Girl HD Conceal. I'm using that one to define my brows, to shape my brows. I really do love LA Girl as well. I have really, most of the product that I'm using in this video, I have been using it for like ever. I really do love it. Sometimes I use my Maybelline Fit B concealer, but this time I'm using my LA Girl. It's been a while since I used my LA Girl, so yeah, I went back for it. So I'm applying the same LA Girl conceal as my eye primer before I apply my eyeshadow. And I'm using my BH Cosmetic palette, Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm using the orange shade to, I'm using the orange shade as my transition color. During the application, I was dabbing it on my eyelid. I wasn't, you know, wiping it or swiping it. I was dabbing it, and it's, you know, it's very good when you dab it instead of, you know, swiping it on your eyelid. So I do dab and swipe as well. Sometimes I dab, and then when I feel like I want to swap, then I just, you know, swap. And I'm also applying the silver shade color from the same palette on my eyelid, and I'm also going to go in with my COLORPOP smoky eyeshadow. I'm going to dab that on top of it to make it look like a smoky blended effect. And I was also blending the two colors together to give it this smoky effect and well blended in. I didn't want to have this sharp look or unblended look. On top of the white eyelid, I'm going to add my Leroux eyeshadow in the color white gold on top. It gave me this sparkly effect and I really do love it. And I'm also using my Fiction Formula eyeliner, and I'm applying my lashes. These lashes are from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link in the info section. They are beautiful. They give me this beautiful look, so I really do love it. And as you can see, I'm going in with my RIMMEL Stay Matte Primer, and I'm also applying my Maybelline Fit Me HD foundation. I really do love this foundation the best, guys. I don't even use color corrector because I have dark blemishes, guys, but I don't even use this color corrector, but it does a good job covering my black blemishes. So next, I'm highlighting my face using my LA Girl HD Conceal, and I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me application, the concealer application, to do that, and it's very easy to do. So I did highlight underneath my eyes, my nose, my chin, and so yeah. And I'm also using my SACHA Buttercup loose powder. I really do love this loose powder. It's very expensive. It's on the high end side, like $30-something, but I really do love it. Sorry about my voice, guys. It's getting irritating. So I'm going to go in with my COVERGIRL cream bronzer. I really do love this cream bronzer. Like all the makeup that I'm using, guys, just bear in mind they are my favorites. I have been using it for like ever. I don't really buy makeup, so yes, makeup is expensive, guys. So you hold on to the best that you have. So I'm using this bronzer to define my face, on top of my forehead, on my chin. And I was using this bronzer to contour actually, and it does a good job contouring. It gives me this, contour blended look. I don't contour, this is all I do, and it does a good job with it. So yeah. Next, I'm using my ColourPop eyeshadow in the color Cranberry. I really do love this eyeshadow. It gives me this smoky effect. And I'm also going to go in with my Urban Decay mascara. I'm just going to use it on my lower lashes, just defining my lower lashes. And it does a good job. I really do love it. I got it from Sephora. And next, I'm using my Milani lip liner. This lip liner is beautiful. It does a good job. It's almost gone, so I have to go get another one. I'm using it on my lower and upper lip. And I'm going to go in with my Milani lip cream. I'm going to leave the shade in the info section. I don't have it off head right now. So yes, and I'm making sure that I'm blending the two together. I don't want to look kind of strange because, this color is not for me, so I have to make sure it's blended and it's looking like it's a nude color. And I'll add it on top my lip gloss. I'm going to leave the lip gloss name. I don't have it in mind right now, so I'm going to leave it in the info section. So on top, I'm adding my favorite part of makeup, which is my highlighter. I really do love highlighter. Like, I go in when it's time for highlighter. Like, I'm so happy when it's time for highlighter. I just give myself a smile and apply it on my chin, and I apply it on my forehead. Wherever I feel like I need one, I do it. I don't care about what anybody says. So your girl is almost done. I didn't find the footage where I did my setting spray, but the setting spray I use is from ColourPop. It looks kind of orange. I'm going to leave it in the info section. Your girl is done. Everything is popping. You can see that I'm slaying here. I really do love this makeup, guys. Like, yes, it came out really good. And the outfit that I'm having on is from Fashion Nova. I really do love Fashion Nova. I got their top. I'm going to leave everything in the info section. I got the top and everything. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and also turn on your notification button. Stay blessed.